In this video, we're going to add some numbers using model blocks. So if we have a problem like this that says how many hundreds, tens, and ones blocks are there in total, and complete the addition sentence, 344 plus 155, and we're supposed to give the answer here. So let's take a look at our blocks. So for 344, we have 300s blocks. We have 4 tens blocks for 40, and then we have 4 ones blocks for 4. And similarly, for 155, we have 1 hundreds block, and then we have 5 tens blocks for 50, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we have 5 ones blocks that make up the 5. So let's put those all into the place value. And if these were numbers, we would just put the numbers in the place value. But we have blocks, so let's just put all the blocks in the correct category. So these are all the hundreds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So 4 of them go here. And then we have these 4 go here. And then we have these 5 go here. Then we have our ones. And we put our 5 here and our 4 here. So we just add them up. So there are 4 hundreds. There are 9 tens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there are 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So actually this tells us the answer. So the answer is going to be 4. Oops, let me undo that. Use the right brush. So the answer is going to be 499. See, 499. And that's how you do it with blocks. And if you have, if you need more help and if you want to do other problems like this, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this. And then you can also follow along in the ebook. And the ebook has this exact explanation, and there's a link there to this video. So don't worry, anyone can do math.